Hello students, welcome to all. Last week we saw the up to components of the MS Word 2010 and now we are going to see the creating a new document. How to create a new document in the MS Word 2010. They gave some steps also. While you open the MS Word icon, while you double click the MS Word icon, that one screen will be open. The screen will be open. Just click that blank document from that screen. Click that blank document from the screen, then click that create option. Do you see the create option? First you click the blank document, then you click the create option. That new document will be open. After open the new document, the screen will be displayed. This window, the screen will be displayed. In that screen, the white color space, they type that area. My name is Sunil, I am in class 3rd. I love computer. This is the typing area where you are going to type your letters. That document area. The white space is used to type your document. You can edit the document with the help of the format options. This space is used to type the document. And then next is the saving a document. You type the document, you type this document and you are going to save your document. Now you are going to click the file tab. The file tab is here. The file tab is here. You just click the file tab and click the save option from the file tab. Then one dialog box will be appear. This dialog box will be appear. You just type your document name. What type of document you type? They type the my family and they click the save option. It will be saved in your document. Where you are going to save that local disk D. இந்த பிளேஸில் வந்து இந்த டாக்குமெண்ட் வந்து சேவ் ஆகிரும். இல்லை உங்களுக்கு வேறு பிளேஸில் வந்து சேவ் ஆகணும் அப்படின்னா இந்த இதில் போய் நம்ம ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் வேறு லொக்கேஷன்ஸ் வந்து நம்ம சேஞ்ச் பண்ணணும். வேறு ட்ரைவ் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிக்கலாம், இல்லைனா டெஸ்க்டாப் வேணும்னா டெஸ்க்டாப் நம்ம எடுத்துக்கலாம். ஸோ நம்ம இதை போய் நம்ம சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிக்கலாம். இந்த ரெண்டு இடத்துலையும் போய் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம், லொக்கேஷன் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிக்கலாம். இங்கே வந்து நம்ம என்ன நேம் கொடுக்க போகிறோமோ அந்த நேம் டைப் பண்ணிவிட்டு சேவ் கொடுத்தோன்னா இது வந்து சேவ் ஆகிடும். Then opening an existing document. Already you have typed a document and it's saved in your computer. Now you are going to open a document which you have saved earlier. You want to open a document which you have saved earlier. Just click the file menu. Click the open option. Then you select the dialog box will be appear from your computer monitor screen. Which file you already saved, my family. The file is shown in that list. You just click that file and click open button. It will be displayed. In your monitor screen. You can edit the document and you can copy the text and whatever you can do that. You can do anything in that document. And then closing a document also you have to go the file menu. After you complete the work, you have to close your document. You have to go the file menu, then click the close option. First we saw the save option, which file you are save, which file you are type, you have to save that. Then open the existing document. Now we are seeing the close document. The file menu, you have the close option. Just click the close option. Inserting a new line. You have to insert a new line wherever you want in a document. Suppose you finished up, you typed the 5 lines in your document. You have to insert the second line. You just keep that cursor in that last word of the first line. The first line உள்ள last word க்கு அப்புறம் அந்த cursor நீங்க place பண்ணிட்டு enter key press பண்ணீங்க. After press the enter key, the new blank line will be appear. You have to type that text in that blank line. And then selecting a text or paragraph. First you have this is a short way. You just double click that word. Over that word, the word will be selected. It is one way. And you just place the cursor at that end of the line you just place the cursor at the end of the line or the starting the beginning of the line. You just drag your mouse, the sentence or the paragraph will be selected. They give some shortcut keys for selecting the document, selecting that word or the document. Just see that. Select characters right. If you want to select the characters from the right means click the shift button, and then click the arrow, right arrow. If you want to select the character words from the left means you just shift plus left arrow. You combination of the shift key plus arrow keys, it will be select the document. Just note the shift keys and then arrow keys. You want to select the document till end. Till end means shift plus end key. End key is in the keyboard. Just shift plus end key, it will be select that till the end of the document. If you want to select from the till beginning, in between to beginning means you just click the shift plus shift. They give the wrong spelling. Shift plus home. Then you want to select the total document means total entire pages, total entire documents means just click that Control plus A. It will be select all the files, all the words, all the paragraphs, everything in the document. Deleting text. First you have to click the select the text which you want to delete. Deleting a character, if you want to first you have to select it. Then you press the delete key, it will be delete. Likewise you have to select the word. Then afterwards you click the delete button, delete key in the keyboard, it will be delete. If you want to delete the paragraph or the lines means first you select the paragraph or the lines, then you press the delete key. Whatever you want, you first select the words or the text in paragraph, then afterwards you click the delete button, it will be deleted. Then existing MS Word. Existing MS Word means exiting MS Word. As the user wants to go outside that MS Word means just close the document. It is a close the document. Just go to the file tab, then you click the exit button. You will be come outside from that Word document. Just click the file tab, then you click the exit button from that MS Word. You just went outside from that document. Thank you all. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.